I'm Laura Schreider. I work at iPSL. I'm Head of Financial Planning and Analysis. I've been at iPSL for 4 years now. We are in the UK banking industry, in the payments industry. We look after the clearing of cheques in the UK for most of the big banks. We have a finance team of 7 people. My responsibilities are to look after the budgeting and forecasting for the team and to communicate the outputs of that with our banking clients. Oracle is our general ledger system. We also used to use Hyperion on top of that because that's what our group companies used. We were in what you might call Excel hell, so we had lots of interlinked spreadsheets, an awful lot of risk, an awful lot of manual intervention. And it took us roughly 6 weeks to get a budget or a forecast done from end to end, just because of the amount of different processes that we had to go through. Having implemented Vena, the 6-week cycle has reduced to 10 days and everything's now done in a way that is streamlined and transparent. We can definitely interrogate our data way more easily, so we can slice and dice it all the different ways that we need to. We've also managed to take one head out of the team, which I think we would say was directly because of the Vena and the efficiencies that it's brought us. So during the implementation, we were really struck by how easy it was to customise Vena just for us. It was really helpful for us to have Excel as the main way that we interacted with the tool because that's something that everybody's familiar with already. On a day-to-day basis, what I really like about Vena is the way that I can compare data really easily. So I can compare a budget to a forecast to an actual, this year to last year to the year before at the touch of a button, and that's really helped me out.